Hello and welcome to this episode of Market क्या लगता है. This week's Market क्या लगता है is a very interesting episode, and as we can see, the consistent rally during US presidential elections is coming to an halt. And this week, this coming week, is going to tell us, are we reading the charts in a correct manner? Is there a genuine halt or a time being halt in this rally is something that we need to understand. Let's understand what were our summary for this particular week. So let's go back to the summary part. So last week we discussed for Nifty 12,790 is an important resistance level, and similarly the action for the coming week would be in range of 12,600 and 13,000. So Nifty is in between this zone right now, and for Bank Nifty the level was 29,250 as an important resistance, and currently if you see Bank Nifty is also lingering around this same zone, and the zone or the levels that we discussed were 28,000 and 28,500. So Bank Nifty overshot these levels, but currently it is settled at very close to this level of 29,250. So what do we have in store? What was today's message on Growth Model Group? So this message on today's chat says Nifty resistance level of 12,790 worked this week, and we are just below this level. So yesterday's closing was tad below this level. Today we are tad above this, right? About 50 points, 50, 60 odd points above this level. And Bank Nifty, we are right at this particular level. So Bank Nifty closing is at about 29,236. And this important resistance level in Bank Nifty is 29,250. So this is very important. Our cautious approach paid off yesterday with a handsome reward. Yesterday's day was amazing. People made good money. Trades were good from selling and buying point of view. Options selling and option buying point of view. When we are expecting a correction, whenever we are expecting a correction, select the weakest stock. Like yesterday I selected SBI and it was about 2% down, then it gave a rally, and after that rally it again corrected almost 5% in total. Okay, so these kind of observations or these kind of selection of stocks will prove very important, very crucial in playing these corrections. Do not short stronger stocks, and just have to be there, hang in there, keep minimum position sizing and take one day at a time. Don't have a thought process that यहाँ से मैं short करूँगा so 11,000 पे मुझे cover करना है वगैरह. Don't have these kind of thought processes. Just be there, take one day at a time as per your setup, as per your conviction. You can take a trade, और बहुत बड़ा exposure लेने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So you can take smaller exposures, and that's how the journey can go on. Let's go to chart and see what we have in store for the coming week. So Nifty action is very well within this box, very well within this band, and I see that this is a highest level now. This hammer indecisive kind of a candle will be an important resistance zone, and we may see a follow-up, a bearish follow-up to this action in the coming week. So that overall action will be very important. Hourly time frame, if we wish to see, this level is going to be crucial, 12,892. So this will be a crucial level. This, I feel that this is a lower high as per the chart, and from this level we may see a further correction. What should be the first target of this correction? The first simplest target for this correction can be of around 12,600. So 12,600 is on my cards. This is what I'm expecting in the first part of it. This may come on Monday itself. There's a very well possibility that this target may be completed on Monday, as long as this is a lower high. If Nifty breaches this high, then the view changes. And this is a change of trend phase. Just remember this. The trend of change phase is a trickier to trade. So keep a very small position, and then that's how it will be beneficial for you. Okay, so this is the level, 12,664 is the level which I am looking for. Okay, so this will be one simple target a short and sweet kind of a target, 12,666. Let's take one day at a time. Again, let me repeat this. So as long as the structure of Nifty goes, there is a kind of distribution here, made a low of 12,730 and made a lower high, and after this lower high the next action will be important. But more importantly, we are still within this box which we drew last week, and based on this the action will be kind of bearish is what the expectations are. Bank Nifty on the other hand, if we see, it overshoot from this level of box, okay, this expected level, it has been quite bullish from this level. And right now again in Bank Nifty as well, all we can see is there is a lower high being printed, and this lower high also suggests that the first target, if this is a bearish trend, the first target can be of 28,200. So this can be one of the bearish target for Bank Nifty. And this trend currently is evolving, this is changing. So whenever the trend is changing, at that point in time you have to be a little cautious and be watchful about the change in trend. And that point in time you keep a very small exposure. What I'm trading currently, so currently I'm trading 2 lots of Bank Nifty, 29,000 ka put I'm holding for a price of 1,000 rupees. Okay, or yesterday I booked 50% of the position, so I'm holding 2 lots now. Yesterday I booked 2 lots. Nifty I had booked 2 lots yesterday, and now I'm holding these 2 lots. And let's see, I'll hold it on for Monday, Tuesday and see how this trade actually pans out. And I'm also holding SBI 240 put for the next month, for the month of December. Okay, so all these put options are for December, not for this expiry. So I'm planning to hold it for a major period of time as long as my view is intact, as long as my view is correct. And these are very small positions. The moment I get a confirmation, I will aggressively add to these positions, but I need a confirmation. Till the time there is no confirmation, I'll be happy holding on to a small position, right? So this is it about this week, and keep a tab on your position sizing, because it's a change of trend, and change of the trend is very tricky part to trade. So be watchful about the trend that is evolving, emerging out of the market, and be vigilant about your trading stop losses. Thank you so much for watching this video.